6.0 Powerstroke diesel, and today we're going to change the engine oil, everything in details. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, first let's warm up our engine. As you can see, our engine is cold. Let's fire it up and take a vehicle for a spin. You don't do oil change on a cold engine. Okay, let's go for a ride and warm up our engine. Guys, if you first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated. That another beautiful day in the valley. Okay, my engine oil is warmed up to the operating temperature. Let's shut the engine off and we're ready to start doing the oil change. Okay, let's push the e-brake down. Alright, 3/4 socket to take a engine drain plug. Here we go. Take your time, let the engine oil drain completely. I'm using new washer on a plug. Okay, let's start the plug. I will put all specs down in the description under the video. Check it out. Time for the oil filter. Yeah, let's blow all the dust and dirt debris around the oil filter housing. I have a rag and I have a container to take the filter out. Okay, inch and 7/16 sockets to remove the oil filter cap. Here we go. Cap is removed. Let's pull the filter out. As you can see, the cartridge type filter, and yeah, that's one all. And we have a brand new from the Ford Fomoco, brand new. Always try to use the OEM Ford parts. Okay, here's a O-ring for the oil filter housing cap. There's lots of useful instructions, follow them up as well. Yeah, okay, let's pull the old cartridge from the cap, as you can see. Alright, time to remove the O-ring. I'm using just pick, try to be careful not to scratch the housing, that's plastic. Right, O-ring is removed. Let's wipe it and clean that groove, and time to put a new O-ring which came with the filter. Let's plate the O-ring in a groove. Make sure rubber O-ring is not twisted. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, critics, concerns, put them down in the comments section below. Alright, fresh engine oil. Let's lube the O-ring a little bit, and now we're comparing two filters. That's one we just removed and the new one. They look exactly the same. Yep. Let's place the filter in the bottom cup first, and now we're ready to put the cap over and start that cap by hand first. You don't want to cross thread it. Let's tighten it up, and by the way, torque specs is on a cap, as you probably noticed. Okay, wipe it everything out. Let's take our oil filler cap and get funnel ready, and now we're getting back to our service manual. And yeah, we need a 15 quarts of engine oil. By the way, lots of good useful information in that manual. Read it if you have time, and also what type of viscosity, what grades to use. I'm going to measure the oil. I'm using Rotella 10W30, and yeah, and put the fresh engine oil in my engine. Okay, all done. Let's wipe the dipstick, put it back, and check how much oil we have on a dipstick. I'm right at the top mark. Good. Let's start the engine and run it for a few minutes. There we go, beautiful. Engine oil pressure build up, engine fired up. I'm looking for any leaks around the oil filter housing. Let's dive under the truck and look for leaks around the drain plugs. Nothing is leaking. Beautiful. Yeah, thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. Let engine oil levels settle down and check it again. And yeah, see you soon. Take care and bye bye.